Linked list can be represented in memory by using three different things. First, a pointer variable start, then two parallel arrays info, and second is link. So these are the two parallel arrays. Now in our example we will try to show how the word science, SCIENCE, it is stored in memory. Start, first it is a pointer variable that will contain the address of first node. So the information, it will contain the information, that is actual data, while link, it will contain the address of next node, means where the next information is stored. In our example, where the next alphabet is stored. So here start, it will contain the address of first node. So first node is in our example is science. It is stored in the fourth memory location. So this start, it will point to the fourth memory location. So info of 4, it is yes. Similarly, what is link of 4? Now link of 4, it will contain the address of next node. So in our example, the next node is C. Where it is present? It is present in the 7th memory location. So here link of 4, it will be 7. Now info of 7 is equal to C. Now similarly, what is link of 7? Now link of 7, it will contain the address of next node, which is followed C. So after C, the next character is I. So I, it is present in the first memory location. So here link of 7, it will contain 1. Info of 1, it is I. Similarly, what is link of 1? Now the next alphabet is E. Where it is present? It is present in the... Now there are two similar memory locations, because E occurs 2 times, so you can use any memory location. So here I will use 5th memory location, that is link of 1, it is 5. So here info of 5 is equal to E. Now what is link of 5? So link of 5, it will contain the address of node which is followed by E, which is N. So where it is present? It is present in the 3rd memory location. So here link of 5, it is 3. Now info of 3 is equal to N. Similarly, what is link of 3? So link of 3, it will contain the address of next node which is followed by N. Now here it is C. Where C is present? C is present in the 2nd memory location. So here info of N, that is 3, it is 2. What is info of 2? It is C. So what is link of C? Link of 2. So link of 2, it will contain the address of next node, that is E. So where E is present? E is present in the 6th memory location. So here it will contain 6. Now what is link of 6? Now after E there is no character. So here this is the last one. So that's why this link of 6, it will contain the cross symbol. We are calling it as a null pointer. So in this way, this linked list, it is represented by using two different things, mainly, that is info, a array which is containing the information, and link, it will contain the addresses of next node. So in this diagram, I have shown the two parallel arrays, that is info, here it will contain the information, and link, it will contain the address of next node. So here this field, it will contain the address of next node. Now in summary, I can write here info of 4, it is yes. Similarly, link of 4, what is it? It is 7. Info of 7 is equal to 1. Similarly, link of 7 is equal to 1. Info of 1 is I. Here it is C. Similarly, link of 1 is 5. Info of 5 is E. Similarly, link of 5 is equal to 3. info of 3 is equal to n, and link of 3 it is 2. Info of 2 is equal to c, link of 2 it is 6. Info of 6 is equal to e, and link of 6 is equal to null pointer. So in this way, this is the memory representation of the linked list.